same room, just like this one. And then they heard clickety, clickety, clock. They were like, there was one, Ryan.
I didn't hear anything but a clickety clackety clack.
Ryan, you have to do it. That's your mouth.
Oh, sorry.
You can be quiet.
Spit it
And
out.
then they were like, there was one blonde-head boy named Ryan. And he said, I'm the bravest one. I'm 16. So I should be the one that goes first. And then he went deeper and deeper. And there was this little girl named Stella saying, don't go, I love you. No, don't go. And then, after he took one step, something grabbed him. Something. Explain the way it is. Then, there was the second. Little boy, dark-headed, long stripes in his hair. His name was Cinnamon. He walked in there. He said, I'll save your husband, Stella Grace. And then something else grabbed him from the other side. So, then there's only 3 more. 3. And then the uncle, the aunt, and the littlest one went in. There was nothing seen of the rest. All there was a mountain of bones. Bones and blood. But before they could give him food, before they could hide, out came the monsters.
You gotta get it.
That's scary. You ruined my story.
Say it was funny.